Hey, I'm Ido. I'm an ML engineer at DagsHub, and today I'm going to show you how to version your data with DVC on DagsHub. DagsHub provides a free DVC remote with each project, which lets you version your data together with your code. This enables you to easily reproduce project results and make sure all file changes can be reverted in case of errors. Let's get started. After I created my repository, I can scroll down and see the version data upload, and I can use some help from this snippet. I'm going to open the terminal and I'm going to copy the first line, which is pip install DagsHub upgrade. I'm going to copy also the second line, DagsHub login, which will prompt me to authenticate with DagsHub. I can choose for how long, click accept, go back to my terminal. Amazing. Now, the next important line is going to be DagsHub upload. So I'm going to copy it. DagsHub upload the name of my repository, which is my username / the name of my repository, versioned data. Then I'm going to write the path to my data on my local computer. Then I'm going to write how I want it to appear on DagsHub, which in this case is going to be pets, because this is a data set of photos of pets. I'm going to hit enter, and the data is going to upload using DVC. Alrighty, now we're done uploading, and we can see we even get a link here for our upload. I can go back to my repository, hit refresh. Thank you. And I can see the pets folder has been uploaded using DVC. I can click create dataset to visualize it. And there we go. Now my data is versioned alongside my code, which makes it super reproducible. If you want to learn more about how to enrich your data with metadata, query it, and do a lot more with DagsHub, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching!